Unveiling the Unconventional. A look at notorious psychological experiments. Psychological experiments have long been a cornerstone of research in understanding human behavior and the workings of the mind. While many studies have contributed valuable insights to the field, some experiments have crossed ethical boundaries or delved into controversial territories. In this article, we will explore a selection of notorious psychological experiments that have sparked debate, raised ethical concerns, and challenged our perceptions of human nature. Weigh in. Stanford Prison Experiment, 1971. One of the most infamous psychological experiments, the Stanford Prison Experiment conducted by psychologist Philip Zimbardo, aimed to investigate the impact of perceived power dynamics on human behavior. Participants were randomly assigned roles as guards or prisoners in a simulated prison environment. The study quickly spiraled out of control, with guards exhibiting abusive and sadistic behavior towards the prisoners. The experiment was halted prematurely due to ethical concerns, highlighting the dangers of unchecked authority and deindividuation. 2. A Milgram Experiment, 1961. Stanley Milgram's obedience study is another well-known experiment that explored the willingness of participants to obey authority figures, even when it meant delivering potentially harmful electric shocks to another person. Despite objections from the learners, who were actually Confederates pretending to be shocked, the majority of participants continued to administer shocks at the direction of the experimenter. The Milgram experiment raised ethical questions about the boundaries of obedience and the psychological impact of following orders. Why, Little Albert Experiment, 1920, conducted by John B. Watson and Rosalie Rayner, the Little Albert experiment sought to demonstrate classical conditioning by inducing fear in a young child. The researchers conditioned an 11-month-old infant known as Little Albert to develop a fear response to a white rat by pairing the presence of the rat with a loud noise. The study raised ethical concerns regarding the emotional well-being of the child and the lack of informed consent. Little Albert's identity remained unknown until recent investigations uncovered his true identity as Douglas Merritt. The Robbers Cave Experiment, 1954. Sheriff's Robbers Cave Experiment investigated intergroup conflict and cooperation by dividing a group of boys into two rival factions at a summer camp. The study revealed the rapid formation of in-group bias, hostility towards outgroups, and the emergence of stereotypes and prejudices. While the experiment provided valuable insights into group dynamics, it also highlighted the potential for conflict and aggression when groups are pitted against each other. Conclusion: these notable psychological experiments serve as cautionary tales about the ethical considerations, methodological rigor, and potential consequences of research in the field of psychology. While these studies have shaped our understanding of human behavior, they also underscore the need for responsible conduct and critical reflection in conducting research that involves human participants. By examining the lessons learned from these controversial experiments, we can strive to uphold ethical standards and advance our knowledge of the complexities of the human mind.